In 2 decades navigating the intersection of technology and digital forensics, I have watched reputations built over years collapse in seconds because of a single search result. The internet never forgets, but the law, increasingly, says it must. Having spent much of my career at the crossroads of Web3, blockchain traceability and data governance, I want to share how the right to be forgotten works in practice, and why it has become one of the most powerful tools for protecting your digital identity. What the right to be forgotten actually means. The right to be forgotten, RTBF, emerged from a landmark 2014 European Court of Justice ruling, Google Spain v. AEPD, which established that individuals could request the removal of search engine results linking to outdated, irrelevant, or excessive personal information. It was later codified in Article 17 of the GDPR. The scale is significant. Since 2014, Google has processed over 5.9 million URL delisting requests across more than 1.5 million cases in Europe alone, approving roughly 49% of them. Brazil's LGPD and California's CCPA have since adopted similar principles, making this a truly global standard. A critical clarification I always make in my consulting work: RTBF does not erase the source content itself, it typically delists it from search results tied to your name. The underlying web page may persist, which is why a layered strategy matters. From my experience treating delisting as a complete solution is a common and costly mistake. The technical reality of content removal. Removing negative content requires understanding where it lives and how it propagates. In digital forensics, we map the content graph, the network of mirrors, caches, archives and syndications that replicate a single article across dozens of domains. Consider a real scenario I encountered: a defamatory blog post ranked first for a client's name. We identified that the content had been cached by Google, Bing and Yandex, archived on the Wayback Machine, syndicated to 3 aggregator sites, screenshotted and reposted on social media. A single RTBF request would have addressed maybe 20% of the exposure. Effective removal demanded parallel actions: DMCA notices for copyright violations, direct webmaster requests, cache invalidation via Google Search Console, and formal RTBF filings. Here is a simplified technical approach I use. The suppression step is where blockchain and Web3 introduce fascinating complexity.